Hello guys, thank you for purchasing our FreedConn helmet Bluetooth headset. In this video, I will show you how to unbox our product, and I will give you an introduction about the device's button layout and all the accessories accompanied with the device. This is the packaging box of our product. Now we unbox it. And this is the main unit. Below it is our instruction manual and the accessories. And this is the power switch, which is also the intercom button. And this is a volume up button, which is also the previous track button for music. And this is a volume down button, which is also the next track button for music. This is the multifunction button. And this is the indicator light, which will stay on constantly when charging. But after the battery is fully charged, this light will turn off. This is the charging port and headphone jack, both of which are Type-C interfaces. These are the adhesive clip, a base clamp, a hero host, a 2-in-1 speaker unit, a charging cable, headphone cable Velcro stickers, microphone Velcro stickers, and last, the instruction manual. Above is a video about how to unbox our product, and the introduction about the main unit and accessories. If you have any further inquiry, welcome to contact our customer service.